Welcome back to Shib Kai, everyone. The cost of a Shiba Inu will soon increase this evening. Tremendously bad news with the introduction of Sharam, an upcoming Layer 2 or L2 blockchain network built on Ethereum for Shiba Inu, which will turn the meme coin Shiba Inu into a full ecosystem. Cryptocurrencies are growing in acceptance and popularity. In this video, we'll talk about how the price of Shiba Inu is set to double this evening. Enormous ship news. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Without further ado, share and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent content on expert analysis and Shiba Inu price forecasts. Now let's start the video. Shiba Inu has grown to be a prominent meme coin and is now ranked among the top 20 cryptocurrencies in terms of market valuation. The Shib team has continued to work on a number of projects at a consistent pace of development. The Shib environment is well known for setting noteworthy standards and achieving milestones in a recent milestone. The largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, announced that it will be removing Shiba Inu and other tokens, such as the EFRA Share Trust Wallet Token and One, from the Innovation Zone on April 18. The announcement stated that the Innovation Zone was created to provide Binance users with a secure environment in which to trade new and innovative projects. Over time, some of these projects may have proven their value and met the high standards that Binance expects. After careful consideration, Binance decided to remove Shiba Inu and these other tokens from the Innovation Zone. After Binance conducted reviews based on a number of factors, Shib reached this milestone. As a result, someone wrote a script to create millions of wallets in an effort to stress test the network. The number of hosted wallets on the beta version of the shibainu Sharam network is still rising, raising questions about the underlying cause of this sudden increase. A team member behind shibaswap, a Shiba Inu-based NFT project, revealed in a recent tweet that they authored a script that generated over 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and carried out over 3 million transactions on the beta network. Additionally, the team member revealed that they were also responsible for developing around 1,620 tokens on the test network. Among these tokens are shibaswap's DAO SP DAO and shibaswap's token SPX. These disclosures suggest that spike information from a puppy scanned the assigned block with over 3.47 million transactions. The network today boasts an amazing 13.3 million wallet addresses, according to Explorer for PuppyNet. It is worth noting that the number of wallets increased by 86% in just 2 days, surpassing 5 million. This astonishing outcome was sparked by this script. As emphasized time and time again by Shoshi Kusama, the Shiba Inu lead, the goal of the test network is to give interested parties the chance to conduct various tests on the network to confirm its effectiveness and dependability before it is launched on the main net. Developing a script to generate millions of wallets on the test network is a commendable effort, as it can aid in evaluating the scalability and efficiency of the blockchain, as well as help in detecting any potential bugs or glitches that may occur during the process. Stress testing the network is essential for evaluating its dependability. In addition to mentioning executing an airdrop script and other tests to evaluate the network's transaction time resilience and other capabilities, the script developers indicated that they intended to evaluate the network's capacity to manage high traffic conditions like games and airdrops. As of right now, no bugs have been reported for the month of March. The ship burns have been quite impressive, with 6.78 billion ship tokens burned in 540 transactions. This represents a significant increase over the previous month's total number of ships destroyed and transactions. The highest burn since October 2022, when 9.05 billion SHIB were burned in 2,433 transactions, occurred in March. Over 34.92 million SHINU were burned in 3 transactions yesterday, according to the SHIB burn tracker. Of those transactions, 25.31 million came from a single wallet. The largest transaction originated from the wallet associated with Coinbase 10, which transferred a staggering 253,397 SHIB to the burn address in a single transaction. This transaction caused the total burn rate to increase by 18% in comparison to the 2.93 million SHIB burn rate from the day before. An indication of the rising the futures market has also seen a trend since the beginning of March. According to CoinGlass data, the number of open futures has exceeded $2.48 trillion, or roughly $26.78 million, just 1 month ago. Open interest, OI, is a metric that measures the number of active positions investors have taken in contracts. When the SHIB price reached its yearly high of 0.1591 in early February, the growth in open interest shows that traders' interest in the SHIB is expanding. At the time of press, the Shiba Inu price was at $0.000000183, as discussed on Newstick. The SHIB price is presently trading in an ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. The uptrend is still in place despite today's slide to 0.164 because the SHIB has written a new higher bottom. A definitive determination of the bulls or bears the end of April may see the rise of Prevail. Lately, investors have started to take notice of Shiba Inu as its futures open interest jumped to 2.4 trillion tokens, 2751 million, following a slow increase that began a month ago. A rising pattern indicates a resurgence of interest, raising expectations of a price increase. When an asset's open interest rises, the total number of outstanding futures contracts that have not been settled or closed out by an offsetting deal is referred to as futures open interest. In essence, it indicates the number of contracts that are still active and held by market participants. When P grows exponentially, it usually indicates that a substantial amount of fresh capital is entering the market and that traders are establishing positions in anticipation of price changes based on CoinGlass data. A platform for intelligence on futures trading from the low of $18.05 million on March 13 to the present level of $2,751 million worth of SHIB tokens valued at 2.4 trillion, Shiba Inu's open interest has climbed by more than 52%. The open interest chart shows that there is a relationship between the price action of the asset and its OI, with the asset price often showing an uptrend when the OI increases. On February 5th, for example, OI increased to 3.2 trillion tokens, or $47.3 million, and this was accompanied by a surge in the price of the SHIB to 1,527, the asset's highest value this year. However, after February 5th, OI began to decline, and the asset price also started to register dips after a decline to the low on March 13th. The open interest is once again witnessing a surge in value, and investors are anticipating the asset price to follow suit. Trade volume on Binance has also shown signs of renewed interest for Shib since it fell to 1.58 trillion Shib on April 8. Even though Shib is currently underperforming, its volume on Binance has increased steadily over the last 4 days to reach 2.4 trillion tokens. The asset is currently trading for 0.11, down 0.97% over the last day, but up 0.8% over the last hour. A breakup of the triangle could see SHIB rise above the ascending triangle it is currently stuck in. Aim for the February highs of 0.15. Recent trends indicate that market participants now favor the asset, and more demand may help it achieve its objectives. According to MarketCap's Q1 2023 report, SHIB was one of the top 3 assets examined globally. The Shiba that concludes today. Don't forget to give the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to view our most recent content. Inu community also recently hinted at an iconic partnership with legendary musician Scott Pagey, as well as a NAFT collaboration with top American celebrity sculptor Jack Storms, which would see Storms accept SHIB on his official store.